what is the hikmah, the wisdom of fasting on the 9th? What's the hikmah? I'm going to give you the statement of Al-Imam An-Nawawi in his _Majmu', which is the sharh of 𝗪𝗶𝘀𝗁 Nawawi says there's 3 wisdoms that the scholars mentioned. Why one should fast, and why it's recommended to fast on the 9th. The first reason they said, it is mukhalafatul yahud, to go against the Jews. Because the Prophet wanted to fast on the 10th, and the Jews were fasting on the 10th, he didn't want to follow them. So how did he change it? He fasted 2 days. Just to not be like them, alayhi salatu wassalam. And this is in the hadith of Al-Imam Ahmad in his Musnad. That the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, Sumu yawma Ashura, fast the day of Ashura. Wa khaliful Yahuda, and go against the Jews by doing what? Wa sumu qablahu, fast a day before it, wa ba'dahu, or after it. The waw here is litanwi', or after it. Go against them. That's the first wisdom why one should fast on the 9th. The second wisdom that the scholars mention is the same way that you're not allowed to fast on Monday by itself, you're not allowed to fast on Ashura by itself. You have to fast a day with it. Friday, can you fast by itself? No. You either have to fast a day before it or a day after it. So the second qawl is that to fast on the day of Ashura, you have to do a day before it or after it. You can't do it by itself. That's the second view. Now we mentioned some scholars took that view, such as Imam al-Khattabi in his Sharh Sunan Abi Dawud. The third view is al-ihtiyat. The reason why you're fasting on the 9th is because what could have happened is wuqu'u ghalat. A mistake could have occurred by the sighting of the moon. The sighting of the moon might be wrong, and so you might miss the day of Ashura. So to be on the safe side, if you fast a day before it, what will happen? You'll most likely catch it either on the 10th or a night before it on the 9th. You will get hold of it. So to be on the safe side. Those are the 3 wisdoms why the scholars rahimahumullah mentioned.